Okay, this task, which is task 7, it's time consuming. This is one of the 3 maybe that are very time consuming. So let's get started. So create a custom role and use it. It's a little bit time consuming, and yeah, it is. So to create this custom role, it's going to take a little bit of time, and I'm going to take it slow because I don't want to make mistakes, because it's normal for me to make mistakes and get distracted, whatever. Cool. So let's carry on. Create a custom role and use it. So let's go. Create a role with the name Apache in Home DevOps Ansible roles as follows. The HTTP packet is installed, enabled on boot and started immediately. The firewall is enabled and running with the rule to allow access to the web server. Hello, firewall. Yeah, firewall. A template file is present to use a file in XHTML that will show host name and IP address, Ginger goodies. So you need to browse the servers and see welcome to server A on IP address of the server A, and etc. Where the host name is the fully qualified domain name and the IP address is the IP address. No shit. Create a playbook called new role that uses the role as follows. The playbook runs on host web servers. No shit. These comments. So the web servers are the prod and server B and server B and server C. Okay. Okay, so let's begin. So read this thoroughly and then we can carry on in practical terms. So let's begin this. Okay. So I already done this, but you do Ansible Galaxy init okay. This is what you will. I will not do this again, so you just create a new role. Okay, so in the roles folder you have there the Apache one. Okay, this, if you don't have it, after you init it, you will see it. You can also do 3 roles Apache, and you have all the shit there. Or you can do Ansible Galaxy list and get it from there. So let's get immediately Ginger out of the way. So basically, this is what you build. You just build roles Apache templates, and you just build your Ginger template. This is going to make it possible, such that you will see the welcome message like this one there. Okay. So welcome to Ansible Facts FKDN. Be careful with this. Respect the spacings and everything else. Welcome to Ansible Facts FKDN on Ansible Facts default IPv4 and address. All right. So Ginger, it's out of the way. Then we can have a look at the roles Apache tasks main. This is the thing you're going to do. This is going to the one you're going to edit out. This one is already fixed by me, and this is going to make sure that the requirements are followed. So if you check the requirements here, let's check it out. So yeah, this is going to install HTTP for us. Install HTTP, set up the firewall, and install, not set up the firewall, install the firewall if it's not installed. Start the service, and the services are HTTPD and firewalld. Create the index. This is a Ginger template we have on the templates folder, and this is going to be put in there. So you don't have to put the full path because it's already in the roles. It's already in the roles templates folder. Okay. Where do I have my cat? Yeah, it's already there. So it just knows it's a role. Again, it's important to study your stuff. I'm not going to explain to you guys what a role is here. All right. And the owner, enable firewall and the port, HTTP port, and we should be good to go. So these are the contents of the main tasks file. Cool. What next? They want us to do next. Okay, don't forget to create the J2 file. Cool. Now, in your Ansible folder, you will have a new role or whatever the name you want me to give it, and it's just going to run it on the web servers, and it's going to use the Apache role, and you just use it. Ansible Playbook, new role, HTML, just for funsies, syntax check. Good, and now you can just use it. If you want to use the more modern stuff, if you want to use Navigator, you're fine. Cool. Now, in theory, if I if I curl http column blah 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 server B and server C. There you go. Welcome to the lab, server lab, blah 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 on blah blah blah. So for in my opinion, the kind of the harder part, it's the Gingerdo template to remember all of this and to make it spacing right and all of that. So here you have it, and everything it's good to go. Task 7, it's done. Like, subscribe, and comment, it helps, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.